What is up, guys? BéDex here. And if you're watching this video, I just want to thank you for coming by. Today we're going to be opening up some Pokemon card booster packs coming out of the Tag Team Generations Premium Collection. Really excited. I was able to pick this up from GameStop for a pretty decent price. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing open and we're going to get right into it. So after getting it out of the box, we're going to go ahead and pop up this piece of plastic here. And from the looks of it, there's a whole lot of plastic to work with. So bear that in mind and just be patient with me. And wow, you could already kind of see just how awesome these cards look. Man, they look far better outside of the box than they do inside. Here's the Tag Team Charizard and Braixen GX card. If you just take a look at that. Wow. And then the Tag Team Venusaur and Snivy card here. And I really like the way they make it kind of look like it's made out of Play-Doh. Really interesting. Then you got the coin. Really cool stuff. We're going to end up taking these out and getting them into some card sleeves. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and set them aside. Okay. Here at the top, we have two booster packs. The Cosmic Eclipse. We're going to go ahead and set those aside also. Here we have two of the Unified Minds. You can tell that the art is a little different there. Really cool. Again with the Unified Minds. And last one, same thing. And here we've got our online promotion card. You get the code there. Here's kind of the big reason why I got this, is because it comes with this training card, or kind of like a dueling mat. Hopefully we pull something nice, guys. I'm really excited, really eager. I've been waiting all week to get into this this box here and into these booster packs, because I really enjoy doing this. Even as a, not necessarily a first timer getting into it, but I used to collect these as a kid, and you know, now as an adult I'm getting back into it and I'm really enjoying it so far. So here we're going to pull out our promo card, or no, our code card. We're going to flip it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Do our switcheroo so we can save these rare cards at the end for everybody. And let's get into it. We got Flabébé, Alolan Sandshrew. I really like these Alolan Pokemon. This one's a steel type. In a previous video, if you remember, I did get a water type, so that's interesting. Ponyta, a Sunkern, Cosmog, Fairy type Energy, Cynthia and Caitlyn trainer card, Chaotic Swell trainer card, Tropius, and a Slurpuff. We've got a reverse holo rare here, guys. Really cool. I love kind of just refracting that light off these cards and getting the art there. Really cool stuff. Slurpuff definitely cool. And wow, look what we just pulled, guys. Arceus and Dialga and Palkia. Oh my gosh, that is such an awesome card, guys. I cannot believe I just pulled that. This came out of the lighter pack. I don't know if you remember, guys, that was 0.7 ounces. 0.7 ounces, guys. Wow. We are definitely going to find this a home in a card sleeve. Bear with me. Oh my goodness, this is amazing, guys. I was seriously hoping to pull something like this. Seriously hoping to pull something like that. Wow, I am blown away. What an awesome card. I cannot believe I just pulled that. Alright. We're going to open this other Unified Minds. This was a 0.7 ounce. Crack this thing open real fast. All right, we got it kind of split there at the top. I try to be discreet about it. Make sure I'm not revealing anything too soon. I'm going to flip it over. Code card to the side. Don't want to reveal it. And here we go. Putting those rare cards towards the end for you all, and for me also, because I cannot wait until we get back there. Slackoth, Fungus, Honedge, Magnemite, Fletchling, Psychic type energy. I don't even know how to say that. Muku. Gross looking Pokemon. Arcan. Yanmega. Here we've got a reverse holo Great Potion trainer card. And last but not least, or it is the least, Victini. Rare holo. Awesome card there. Another legendary Pokemon. We're going to find that a home in this card sleeve. Here we go. And that was pretty exciting, guys. We're going to go ahead and set this aside. Again, that was a 0.7 ounce booster pack. Getting into our next one. All right, here we go, guys. Getting back into it. Going to try and be discreet here. We don't want to show anything too soon. Here we've got our code card. Keep that hidden from you guys. And we're going to give that out to the first person who messages me and wants them. There, we just did our switcheroo, so we can put those rare cards in the back. Starting off, we have Skorupi, Wimpod. That art's pretty cool. Looks like a 4-year-old drew on it. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Yeah, look at that. 4-year-old drawing. Slackoth, Salandit, Bounsweet, Psychic type energy, Lampent, Masherna. We got a Dragonair. Pretty cool card there. I like the art. It's a dragon type. We got a trainer card, Coach Trainer. And lastly, wow. Wow, guys. Oh my goodness. We are getting so lucky today. Let's see. I'm going to try and get this to focus. These rainbow cards have a hard time here on camera just because of the light that comes off of it. Look at that. That is our second one, Mewtwo and Mew GX card. And you know we're going to find that at home here in our card sleeve. These are pretty basic, nothing too fancy. But this card is amazing, guys. I cannot believe we just pulled 2 of these rainbow cards. And mind you, that was out of a 0.7 ounce booster pack. 0.7 ounce. You know, this theory that the heavier booster packs contain rarer cards might just be a hoax. Complete hoax. This one opened up a lot easier for us, so I'm going to cast that aside. We've got our code card there. We're going to do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Get those rare cards in the back. And here we go. Kicking it off, we have Cosmog, Salandit, Gibble. He's made out of yarn there. That's really cool, guys. I don't know about you. I don't like to just kind of blast through these cards without acknowledging the art there. Sewaddle, Bidoof, Fire type energy, Cresselia. That's pretty cool. It's an uncommon. And we have another uncommon Dragonair, Dragon type. Basculin, really cool. Talonflame, got the rare reverse holo Talonflame. Really cool there. Alright, and lastly, we've got a rare. Sorry about that, guys. My camera kind of cut out there, but this is from our very last 0.7 ounce booster card pack. Starting us off is Noibat, which is a dragon type. I find that very interesting. Sneasel, Bounsweet, Joltik, kind of standing there looking at himself in the mirror. Salandit, grass type energy. Elgum, Mewtwo, Vigoroth, ooh, and a Tynamo, reverse holographic. Really cool. And lastly, we've got a Celebi. Wow. Really good pull there, guys. We got a rare holographic Celebi, and that's going to find itself inside of a card sleeve. Really cool there, guys. We ended up pulling the Victini. Now we have a Celebi. You know, out of these, I guess, rare legendary Pokemon that are all kind of the same size, you know, the little ones that are part of every generation, that'd be nice to kind of collect all of them. Celebi's a really cool Pokemon though. Alright. Enough of that. That's going to go to the side. Find a home for that. Alright guys, and here we have the 2 booster packs that weighed at 0.8 ounces. I'm going to go ahead and do the Darkrai first. I mean, he is the cooler one, so typically people like to do him last, but you know what? Let's go ahead and knock him out first. I am eager. And like I said, we're going to try and be a little discreet about it. Don't want to show anything off too soon. Got our code card there to whoever wants it. Let's get a little bit of magic here, guys. Come on. Alright, starting us off, we got a Railu, Meditite, Shroomish, Slackoth, Drifloon, Psychic Energy, Unidentified Fossil, interesting, Tornadus, wow, and that is an uncommon, surprisingly, a Swadloon, we got a Doublade, Reverse Holographic, really cool, and lastly, an Alolan Marowak, wow. You know, despite this one being a non-holographic rare, I really enjoy these Alolan Pokemon. They kind of brought a new aspect to the base set with new art, new typings. Really cool card. And let's move on to the next. You know, this 0.8 ounce booster pack was not as exciting as I thought it would be. But here's our last one, and we're going to see how it does. Okay. Cast that to the side. Get those rare cards in the back. Okay, starting us off, we got Ralts, Sandygast, Spheal, Cottonee, Rowlet. We got our energy card there. Beastite, Lileep, Jolteon, really cool card. We got a Pignite, Reverse Holographic, and a Sylveon, non-holographic rare. And that'll do it, folks. So like I said, if you're here and you've made it to the end, I really appreciate you watching. I hope that you come back again soon, and we're going to be doing more videos. We're going to get into a series. That series is going to be called One a Day, One Away, where I open up a booster pack every single day, and it goes to one of you who are viewing it right now. All you have to do is like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the deal. You watch YouTube. You know what you need to do. Show some support, and I just want to bring you the most value for watching my videos, guys. So like I said, thanks for coming, and I'll see you again next time.